Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we're going to compare Shopify and Wix so that you can understand which one is better for your online store. Both platforms are popular, but they're built for very different types of businesses. So, by the end of the video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. But before we start, if you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for the free 3-day trial and the $1 per month offer. You will also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the main idea behind each platform. Shopify is created specifically for e-commerce. Everything inside the system is designed to help you sell products, manage orders, track inventory, accept payments, and grow your online store. It's a dedicated e-commerce tool. Wix started as a website builder. It focuses more on design, visual layouts, and general websites. You can add e-commerce features to Wix, but its main strength is website creation, not e-commerce power. So right from the beginning, Shopify is the stronger platform for selling, while Wix is better for simple websites that do not require advanced store features. Let's look at how easy they are to use. Both platforms are beginner friendly, but in different ways. Wix gives you a drag and drop editor where you can place anything anywhere on your page. This is great for that creative freedom that you might have. You can build a beautiful website even if you do not have design experience. For simple stores, Wix is fast and easy to set up. Shopify is easy, but in a more structured way. It guides you through each step of building your store. You add products, set up payments, configure shipping, and customize your theme. You can't drag items freely across the page like Wix, but this makes your design more stable and more professional. Shopify themes are optimized for sales and mobile performance, so your store loads fast and looks clean without any extra effort. Next, let's compare their e-commerce features. This is where Shopify really becomes strong. Shopify offers advanced product management, multiple inventory locations, detailed order tracking, built-in marketing tools, abandoned cart recovery, discount systems, and support for both digital and physical products. You can also sell in person with Shopify POS. Wix offers basic e-commerce features. You can add products, manage orders, create simple documents, and accept payments. For small shops with your products, this works very well. But when your business starts to grow, Wix can feel limited because it does not have the same level of inventory control, automation, or advanced selling tools that Shopify provides. Let's talk about apps. Now, Shopify has the largest e-commerce app store in the world. You can add tools for email marketing, SEO, upsells, reviews, shipping, print on demand, drop shipping, subscriptions, loyalty programs, and so much more. This makes Shopify extremely flexible. You can start small, add advanced features as your business grows. Wix also has an app market, but it's much smaller. The apps are more focused on design and simple website features rather than advanced e-commerce tool. For basic stores, though, this is plenty. For serious e-commerce, you will quickly run into limits. Now, pricing. Shopify offers the basic plan at $25 per month. Grow is $65 per month. Advanced is $399 per month. And Plus starts at $2,300 per month. These plans are designed to support e-commerce at every level, from beginners to enterprise brands. Wix has cheaper starter plans. The light plan is $17 per month. The core plan is $29. The business plan costs $39 per month. And the business elite plan is $159 per month. So let's compare performance and growth. Shopify stores load fast, handle high traffic, and grow without technical issues. This is why many large e-commerce brands use Shopify. It's reliable and built for long term. Wix is great for small websites, but when your store grows or receives high traffic, it may not perform as strongly. It is not designed for high volume e-commerce. Now, the big question is, which one should you choose? You pick Wix if you want a simple website with light e-commerce. It's perfect for small shops, portfolios, personal brands, and anyone who wants beautiful design without needing advanced store features. Now, you choose Shopify if your main goal is to run a real online store. It is the best choice for drop shipping, print on demand, inventory based stores, digital products, and any business that plans to grow. My personal recommendation is this. If e-commerce is your main focus, Shopify is the best option. It gives you more tools, more flexibility, and more room to grow. If you want to try Shopify with the special offer, check that link below. You get the 3-day free trial, the $1 per month deal, and the complete Shopify course. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.